So let me get straight to the point. Now in this video, I'll be showing you some secret Android features you need to enable or you need to turn on right now to make you a pro user and to get the very best out of your Android device. Before we start, head over to settings, scroll down to about device, software information, tap on the build number for 4 times to unlock developer options. Go back and you should see developer options here. Now I know you have tried multitasking with some apps and they just don't work. So let's say I want to open Snapchat and Instagram in a split screen view. So as you can see, I have Snapchat here, but the Instagram app is nowhere here to be found. This is because it doesn't support split screen view. Now to make these two apps work in split screen view, head over to developer settings, scroll down and search for activities to be resizable. Just tap on the switch here to turn it on. Now you can see Instagram app is here and I can do the split screen window without any issues. So if you want to improve your productivity, then you should turn on this feature. It is always fun to use and very useful. If you are running on a low memory and your device supports SD card, then you should turn on this feature. This can be very helpful. So inside developer options, scroll down and search for force allow all application on external. Now just tap the switch here to turn it on. Okay, so you now be able to install any application on your SD card or memory card. Now to make everything smooth and to prevent the apps from crashing, you need to make sure you use a good SD card. So this will prevent any app from crashing. Now there's no need for you to worry about uninstalling this application before you be able to install another application. You should definitely try this out if you want to install more applications on your device. If you are a mobile gamer or you enjoy playing games on your device, then this feature would enhance your gaming experience and you get better gaming performance as well. So inside developer options again, scroll down and search for Force 4X MSAA. Tap here to enable it. Very simple. Now with this feature, you don't need to do anything. You can now enjoy your games in good graphics with good performance as well. But you need to note this. So this feature will drain your battery faster. So that's one thing you need to know. Now with this next settings, you can see the CPU and GPU usage of an app. So this can be very useful, especially if you are testing out games on your device and you want to measure the GPU and CPU activity. Inside developer settings again, you scroll down and search for GPU watch. It should be somewhere here. Tap to turn it on. If for any reason you don't find this in your developer options on your device, then you can download it as an APK and install on your device. The app only works on Android 11 and up. So now anytime you open up any game or application, you get every detailed information from FPS, GPU performance, CPU performance in real time on your screen. This next settings can be very helpful if you always want to have a fast switch of network on your device. I mean, if you are downloading something with your neighbor's Wi-Fi and he decides to turn it off, automatically the device will switch to the mobile data. Inside developer options again, scroll down and search for mobile data always active. Tap here to turn it on. Now this feature or settings would allow you to have mobile data and Wi-Fi turned on at the same time. So when one network is unstable at some point, then it will switch to the other network to keep you running. I bet you this can be very useful, especially when you are downloading big file size with no start and pause option. Oh wow, you finally made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, share this with your friends. Also, please make sure you drop a like on this video. I would also love to read your comment, and stay safe. Please also leave me a comment again to which videos you'd like to see on the channel.